Bloomington, Indiana, told me, won't you slow down? Bloomington, Indiana, told me, won't you slow down, son? Flagstaff, Arizona, showed me where we all come from. And Silver Spring, Maryland, is where I got this old guitar. There in Saul, Andorra, is where I first fell for her. Let's go east, running down the river. West, we've already been south, yeah, and it feels like home. But my true north is anywhere we can go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Anywhere we can go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Falls Church, North Virginia, is where we took our first steps. Santa Cruz, California, that was one hell of a trip. Skokie, Illinois, is where you met Dad for the first time. And Sayulita, Mexico, is where I said, will you be mine? So let's go east, running down the river. West, we've already been there. South, yet it feels like home. But my true north is anywhere we can go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Anywhere we can go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's anywhere we can go. But my true north is anywhere we can go. I never wanted this, but now we're here, I kinda like it. The way you hate me, then you love me, you're so indecisive. Running your fingers through your hair when you got chocolate on them, I kinda like it. Trying to fall asleep, but you're talking to me. Buzzing around in the folds of the sheets, and it's so easy to fall back into your arms. I say, hey, now I'm walking away without your love and without your pain. I'm feeling a change is coming now, and we can push and pull forever, and we can blame it on whoever. I just can't stay, so I'm walking away. I'm walking away. I remember when you made me feel like I was something, someone to hold you and to talk to you until the morning, something to wake you up, someone to lay you down, someone to be the only thing you breathe in and out, and you fall asleep next to me, saying my name in the folds of the sheets, and it's so easy to fall back into your arms. I say, hey, gotta get you off my mind. I fall asleep, you're next to me, calling my name. I say, hey, now I'm walking away without your love and without your play. I'm feeling a change is coming now. We can push and pull forever, and you can blame it on whoever. I just can't stay, so I'm walking away, walking away. I'm walking away. I'm walking away. Well, there's something about the weather when we're out on our own. Something about the path that leads us forever home. We don't need a reason, just changing with the seasons, following the feeling in our souls. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. Well, I can't believe the world's still turning, 'cause we're hopelessly alive. You mean the sunrise, we're still miles away from the end of the day, and the wind walks by our side. We'll fly through the rivers and we'll swim through the sky. Nothing can bring us down when it's you and I. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. And I can't believe the world's still turning and we're hopelessly alive. You, me, and the sunrise. You, me, and the sunrise. And oh, this golden road leads us on forever home. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. Into the sunrise, letting it all go. 'Cause when you're with me, we're chasing daylight, we're soulfully alive. Oh, I can't believe the world's still turning and we're hopelessly alive. You, me, and the sunrise. You, me, and the sunrise. I was on a train in the middle of the city. Saw a girl sitting on the floor with the headphones on. She was humming a tune, looking as happy as she could be, nodding her head and closing her eyes and singing the song she was singing. And the sun broke through the windows. Now everyone's humming along. She got everybody singing that universal song. I was on a cruise in the middle of the ocean. was sitting alone at a table for two. The band was on a break, cause the singer, he was late. But the second he got on stage, started singing that same old tune he was singing. And everyone ran out onto the dance floor. They were shaking their hips and moving along. He got everybody singing that universal song. I read on the news today that they made contact with outer space and a transmission was coming in loud and clear. All the scientists and linguists and astrophysicists tried to decipher the sounds that were coming into their ears, but all they heard was they started moving their shoulders too. They all agreed that that's what we should do. Now everybody in the world singing. They got their hands up in the air. Oh, now everybody's getting along, cause everybody's singing that universal song. It's the longest night of the year. The days are getting shorter, the nights are getting longer, and I can already feel the snow.
The holidays are getting closer, and we're all older than the last. The time goes by so fast,
and it's the longest night of the year, and I can't feel the cheer. It's the longest night of the year. I wish you were here.
The cookies are baked and my heart aches, but I can feel you here with us and hold on to the sound of your laughter in the
air. The presents are wrapped and the table is set, but all I wanna do is nap and remember the best of times. It all seems like a dream. December can bring on the best of the woes.
As the cold sets in and the darkness grows,
but with you by my side, I know we'll be alright.
You warm me like a fire till my happiness shows when you hold me close.
It's the longest night of the year. I'm so glad I've got you here for the longest night of the year, to help me feel the cheer on the longest night. We are the light that keeps
the memories burning
bright.